Hey guys, welcome to another episode of your review channel. Yes, another episode of your Costco today. Absolutely, we go all the time to Costco and we bring all kinds of cool stuff to you. And this is summer 2021, and yes, all the spring stuff is coming in now. I'm going to show you everything they have, tons and tons of stuff, all the prices, hoses, gloves, fertilizer, you name it, they have it all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to go through all these items here, back and forth. I'm going to show you everything. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. I appreciate that as well. All right, let's get into the review. Now this is a cool hose, $23.99, 100-foot hose. This is like contractor's grade. I have this hose. It's really heavy. That's the only thing wrong with it. When it fills up with water, you got to kind of deal with it. And 100 feet's a lot to deal with, just to let you know. But if you need a 100-foot hose, this is probably the best you're going to find. All in all, Costco backs everything 100%. As you know, you can return any time. Wasn't going to talk much, but I want to talk about these gloves. Look really awesome. Heavy duty gloves. They have all kinds of gloves this year for working, for the light gloves, for the heavy duty gloves. Really everything you can think of. This here is like our, the wash your house down. I believe it's wet and forget, outdoor like siding, cleaning, rinsing, things like that. I mean, they have all kinds of cool stuff. This is a really nice item. I like this. You look around for the store, if it's $30, but it holds it's a lot there. It's a moss and mold mildew. I guess it breaks it up if you have it on your roof, or if you have your siding, your deck. See right here? This is a nice item. All right, let's continue watching. Of course, you got to have your Grub-X. If you have a lawn, you have to have Grub-X. That's the way it is, and Scott's is probably the best brand out there, as far as I'm concerned. No question. Now, this hose is really kind of cool. Like I said, let me just show you the price of this here. 100-foot hose. This is the kind that you throw in like a little pot. Doesn't, I guess, twist. It doesn't, get cramped and kinked. Looks like a really nice hose. Comes with a 5-year warranty. I like this. I'm going to pick this up for myself. Nice hose. And of course, if you have a little garden, you need that shake and feed. This is really nice for Miracle Grow. You got to have that. This is a nice, if you have a garden and you really have to get some nice food and nutrients, I think this is probably the best. $18.99. Really important. Also, weed preventer. You got to have that as well. They're going to stop the weeds, so that works as well. If you have a flower beds, you want to prevent the weeds. This is a nice, big, huge container. Priced $27.99. 22 pounds. Good deal. Yes, and of course, fertilizer. They have a ton of it. So check out everything they have. They have all their summer stuff in now. So check out your local Costco and see what they have. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, like, share, and subscribe. It does help support my channel, and I do appreciate it. All right, guys, I won't talk anymore. Continue watching, and I appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next review.